think about leadership, and there are all kinds of theories of leadership. There's, leadership, there's X, there's Y, there's U, transformational leadership, transactional leadership. I mean, the list is long. And these are all good theories, and in many ways, each of them covers some very, and sometimes many, very specific aspects of leadership. But we have always told stories, not just the people we think of as leaders, but all of us. We tell them day in, day out, right? At the water cooler, you want to tell us what you were doing yesterday when we should have been meeting for lunch, right? You weren't there. Or what you plan to do tomorrow, what you hope your startup will accomplish. I mean, we do it all the time. And when I say we, I mean all of us, even those of you in the room, and I sometimes include myself in that list, who think you can't tell a good story. I mean, we all do it.